What's up guys, it's Chris here. I normally make Clash of Clans videos on YouTube, but today I'm going to do something slightly different. If you're familiar with the channel, you'll notice that the video webcam is much better than it ever has been in the past, and I want to show you exactly how I'm able to achieve that. So I've had a DSLR lying around for a while now because my wife's a photographer, but never actually understood how to set it up as a webcam until an accident happened the other day. Now, with this being said, I watched a few YouTube videos and I went through this step-by-step process, but they all left one vital part of information out that I'll share with you at the end of the video. So let's get right into the browser. So step-by-step is what you're going to do is you're going to go to www.usa.canon.com, or you can just simply type in EOS Utility and it'll prompt you to this page. You're going to scroll down and you're going to find the camera that you are working with. So the one that I have right now is the 5D Mark IV. You're going to click on it. You're going to scroll down until you get to the software section. Find where it says EOS Webcam Utility for whatever platform you're running. I am on Windows, so I went ahead and downloaded the Windows and the most up-to-date Windows file. So you hit select and then it's going to have a download prompt. You're then going to download it and then it'll send you to the installer, or you unzip it from a folder, you install it into your computer, and then that's the very first step of getting closer to being able to use your Canon camera as a webcam. So after you do that, you're not quite done. You want to find some sort of software that allows you to be able to test the features to see if anything's wrong, like I had something wrong with mine. So what I'm using right now is Streamlabs OBS in order to be able to tell that this specific camera is going to work with my device. So you could probably open, I think Zoom has this compatibility and a couple of other high quality video profiles. You're not going to want to do it through Facebook or anything like that because it's probably not going to detect anything. So like right now I'm on Streamlabs, you can do Zoom, there's a couple of other online videos that you can do, but just to be able to test it out. So I feel like the most vital part of information that any other YouTuber left out when I was trying to do this myself is exactly what type of cord that you need. I found out by accident that you actually need a tether cord. Specifically, I have a Tether Pro cord that I'm going to leave in the description down below just to be able to show you exactly what worked for me. But even though I did all this troubleshooting and went through all this hard work of why my camera was not hooking up to my computer, come to find out it was just a simple cord issue. And again, all the YouTube videos that I watched on this tutorial did not mention that you need a specific type of cord. Perhaps it was a given, but when coming to YouTube and when starting from scratch, I like to know exactly everything laid out as if I am 5 years old and I have no idea what's going on. So now that you know this, if you're not able to connect your Canon to your computer, it could be as simple as a cord issue. If it is something more complicated and it does need further troubleshooting, there is plenty of good videos out there for you to go watch. But again, I just wanted to share my experience, how exactly I set up my Canon to my computer to be able to use as a webcam. I'm excited for it to make future videos on Clash of Clans and other random videos like this. I appreciate everybody watching this. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please go subscribe to the channel and like the video down below. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Peace out.